Hello, Dean here with EXP Realty, and today I'd like to give you guys a tour of this beautiful home in Southeast Cape Coral, that is in Florida. This house is Gulf access, so stick with me here. Let me give you a full tour. So starting off with the exterior here, got a pretty nice and quiet neighborhood. This house is located on a dead-end street, so it's on a semi-secluded area. This large driveway, these huge palm trees. These were just put in within the last year or so, according to the seller. So this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, a 2-car garage. The roof is only a couple years old. So you got the side yard. Some privacy back here, or front here, I should say. The house comes with a boat lift and this dock, as you can see. This is a 10,000 pound lift and it can fit a 30-foot boat. This boat is also negotiable. The seller's asking $165,000 for it. I can tell you more about it, but the boat is practically new. It's only got about 25 hours on it. But let's get back and focus on this masterpiece in front of us, this home. So again, you got this secluded section. What's really special about this home is because it's in a corner like this, you got 180 degrees of water surrounding the house. Again, this is a Gulf access canal. This canal is over 80 feet wide on this side. And with the boat, you can take this boat to the open water with no bridges to worry about. So no height restrictions on the boat. It only takes about 15 minutes to get to open water. This is your view from the lanai back here. Yep, that's me. Look at these beautiful palm trees. Water, beautiful. That's your lanai. You got this great view from your backyard. Let's go back to the front and give you a full tour of the inside of the house. The seller was actually thinking about expanding this dock all the way to down here, put in a bigger boat. You have that option. Nice landscaping here. Nice foyer. As you can tell, this owner loves to fish. So, as soon as you walk in, you got this big, beautiful kitchen, nice and open. Doesn't feel like you're squeezed in any way. Beautiful black stainless steel appliances, black granite countertops. You got a little sitting area over here. Of course, you got a incredible view of the pool from here. We got a kitchen island over here. We got some room for seating. Vaulted ceilings and fans everywhere. On a day like this is a perfect day just to open up these big sliding doors. It is about 68 degrees today, so it's just perfect. Getting some of that cool air. It's a pretty large living room. The first bedroom is right here. And also the furniture that you see is also negotiable. So this can be sold fully furnished. This is a full-size bed. Somebody across the canal is having a good time today. So over here, you got your full bath. Stand-up shower, or you got the tub right there, and then a door out to the lanai. So if somebody's gonna use the bathroom, you're not dragging water throughout the house. That's not a painting, that's actually painted on there, so that stays, and that's absolutely beautiful. Now before we get out to the lanai, I'm going to give you a tour quickly of the master bedroom and the laundry. There's your entrance again. Laundry room's right here. The washers and dryers are included along with the other appliances. Got extra storage up there with the cabinets. Got a little sink here. And then good sized garage. Here's the master. This is not tile, it's like a vinyl material, vinyl plank maybe. I love the shutters on the doors and windows. It gives it that Florida feel. This is also a full-size bed, just to give you an idea of the size, but you can easily fit a king-size bed. As you can see, there's plenty of room on the side for nightstands. Your closet is right ahead right there. You got a full-size bath, of course. You got your toilet, dual sinks, and your stand-up shower. And it's a huge shower. All right, and now for the best part, the part where you're going to be spending most of your time here in Florida. That's going to be on the lanai. And this is a oversized lanai. You got two seating sections. First one being right here. And again, more fans. You got fans inside, outside. So there's no need to have the AC running. As you can see, the sliding door goes all the way out. Nice and open, especially if you're entertaining. Sitting area here. He's also got these privacy screens that you can put down. So they roll all the way down. He's got them all across. Those stay with the house. He's got even one on the side over there. View. Absolutely breathtaking. Just imagine the sunsets and sunrises from here. Big pool. Then you got another sitting area over here, soak up that Florida sunshine. And you got a sitting area over here. So definitely an oversized lanai. If you like to entertain, this is a nice place to do it while overlooking the water. Then of course you got a section here for your grill. All right, that's it for this beautiful home. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed what you've seen. And if you have any further questions on this property or any other real estate here in Cape Coral, reach out anytime. Have an excellent day.